Welcome to Heads Up Technologies. We have been developing and enhancing Integrated Construction Project Manager, or ICPM, for over 10 years. It is the only software that integrates both scheduling and project management. Using the latest cloud computing technology from Microsoft, you can be assured ICPM is the most advanced and dependable software available anywhere. 4 years ago, Signature Construction partnered with Heads Up. Since then, they have used ICPM on over 200 projects with close to 50,000 tasks and 20,000 daily field reports. Although large in numbers, Signature represents one of many customers that have found being proactive and on top of things can and will improve your bottom line. Field reports capture progress at the site every day. This information automatically updates the schedule. During evening processing, ICPM compares plan and actual. Critical path activities that are slipping or running late are identified and emails sent to the appropriate team members. Schedules can be built from scratch by copying prior projects, by developing templates that can be used over and over, or copied from existing Microsoft project or SureTrack schedules. Let's take a look at a typical schedule. We call this the grid view. It contains tasks, the duration of each task, and the relationship between tasks, shown here outlined in red. Using this information, the critical path method calculates the planned start and completion dates of all tasks based on their durations and relationships. They are shown here outlined in blue. When a field report indicates that a task has started, the actual start date is recorded. When the task is completed, the finish date is recorded. These are shown here outlined in green. The schedule may be displayed as a Gantt chart. The critical path appears as red task bars. If any of the red tasks fall behind their scheduled date, they will push out the end of the project. A blue taskbar indicates the task is not critical and has float. A number in the middle of any taskbar indicates percentage complete, and a solid black line that task has been completed. ICPM allows you to drill down to the task level by clicking on the task. The next screen displays when clicking on task number 5, rough electric, that is critical and only 45% complete. At the top of the drill down screen appears a mini Gantt. It is useful to zero in on related tasks and help judge the impact of the situation. Beneath the mini Gantt is detailed information about the task, including predecessors, successors, resources, and any documents linked to the task. While we will not review all of this information, the next slide displays what happens when we click on the Resources tab. We can now view the resource assigned to the task, McKay Electric, and see the contract amount, which is for $12,500. Next, let's turn our attention to the field report for work crews. This screen is used by the site superintendent to record work accomplished by each crew during the day. ICPM automatically auto-loads tasks that have started or that are scheduled to start that day. Site progress may be recorded by simply entering percentage complete or the number of units put in place during the day. Since scheduling and field reporting are integrated as part of the same system, ICPM compares the planned schedule with the actual status every day and develops heads-up alerts. These alerts are prioritized by impact on the budget or project completion date. It lists those behind schedule first, indicated by the red dot. Next, those slipping from schedule, indicated by yellow diamonds, And finally, those that will be starting soon, indicated by green squares. You may drill down by clicking on the task, and you will see the task detail screen that we just reviewed. Or you can also drill down on the resource name for additional information, which is displayed on the next screen. From this screen, you may call, fax, or email the performing resource to discuss the situation and work towards solving the problem. The alert information is available based on user role at all times. Every morning, the information that applies to the subcontractor is emailed or faxed to the subcontractor, and the same applies to all other team members. This would include the project manager, architects, engineers, and executives. One system keeping everyone on track. One system helping projects get done on time and budget. Why not call us for a more complete demo of ICPM? Get started using a tool which really makes a positive addition to your bottom line.